everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. Speaking of which, definitely click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, and of course, definitely click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. Glad to have you with me today, and for today we are going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. Very excited to be filming with the Decay Naked Heat Palette. So yeah, this is going to be the look in today's video, and if you want to know how to recreate it, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. We are starting off with the Nars Soft Matte Concealer as my primer for today. So we are going to be diving into the Naked Heat Palette for today. I am very excited. I don't think I have filmed a video yet with this palette, so I'm taking the shade Ounce from the palette. I'm just setting my concealer. Let's see. So I think I'm going to dive into the shade Sauced from the palette. I think I'm going to go right next to the shade Low Blow, which is the next shade over. I use the same brush. Yeah, you know. I am a big, firm believer in using brushes in a lot of different ways. This is the E40 brush from Sigma, one of my personal favorites. I can't get enough of this brush. I think I have like 3 of them. I think I'm going into the shade He Devil from the palette. And I'm taking this on a more tapered brush to tap off that excess. For my main lid color, I'm very excited to be dipping into this baby right here. This is the Tarte Foil Finger Paints, the Shadow Palette, and we are going to be taking Sailor's Delight, which is this gem right here. It's a beautiful red color. I am so excited to use this. So I know that these guys are insanely pigmented, so I want to try out a newer brush. You guys, Sonia Kashuk apparently is like, the entire brand is on clearance at Target. I don't know what's going on, so I found this brush. This is the number 32 brush. It's a nice flat shader brush. So I'm actually really curious how this works with this shadow. I'm just taking a clean blending brush just to make sure everything is properly blended. I went ahead and did my bottom waterline area, and for that I used the Makeup Forever Aqua XL liner. For actual top liner today, I'm going in with the Hourglass Voyeur Waterproof Liquid Liner. Yeah, they are not even today. Oh my god. My eyeliner game today is not strong, you guys. I really want to use my Dior Forever and Ever Wear Primer, which this is really fantastic to help me stay matte all day. I have so many videos that I want to film, and this primer definitely is a very good one to help me stay matte. But the foundation that I am going to be applying today is from Nars. I don't have the actual bottle. I made myself a sample at work the other day. This is the Natural Radiant foundation in the shade Santa Fe, and I'm going to be applying it from that sample jar. I'm going to be blending this in with my E6 brush from Morphe. I love the way this blends. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Even though it says that it's radiant, I don't know, I still like it. I love the way it lasts on me. I like that you could still see at the end of my shift, like my bronzer, blush, and highlight, So I've been thoroughly enjoying this foundation. I think I might want to do a full in-depth review on it, but I kind of want to still use it for a couple times to really make sure that it's worth doing a review. Let's move on to concealer. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild, what do you call it, the Photo Focus Concealer. Go in with powder because I still like to set everything regardless. So for that, I am going in with my MAC Prep and Prime loose powder. And I do want to set the rest of my face now. So for this, we are going in with the Shea Glow powder from Mercier. I am using the shade number 2. I'm trying to experiment. I feel like when I'm doing so many matte types of products, I feel like I look like chalky throughout the day. So I am experimenting, you guys. So we'll see. On to bronzer, blush, and highlight. This is the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I'm getting down there, you guys. Oh my god. I really need to buy a new one. Blush today is going to be the MAC blush in the shade Peaches. I definitely wanted to do something on the orangey side so that it correlates well with the eyes. I think I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. Whew. Oh. This highlighter, you guys, is everything. Oh my god. I definitely always love to do a little bit of shadow on my bottom lash line. So for that, I'm thinking of taking a little bit of Cayenne from the Naked Heat palette and also a little bit of In Fuego? Yeah, Cayenne and In Fuego on the bottom lash line. I always believe in doing a little bit of something on the lower lash line. I always feel it just makes the whole look more complete. That's just me. Personal preference. Let me quickly find it. This is the Monsieur Big from Lancome. I have been loving this mascara, you guys. Really fantastic for length and volume. You guys know I really don't like applying lashes. I really just prefer the way my lashes look. I just don't really believe in applying false lashes every time, but like, look at the difference that makes already. I love this mascara, you guys. So good. So I'm kind of in the mood for a red lip. So I think I'm going to go in with the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Cherry Sky. Last but not least, primer water from Smashbox to set everything into place. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this look, and I don't think I have anything else left to say other than I love you guys, and I shall see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye!